back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha's Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this blonde bombshell, baby. She didn't come to play, honey. And if you're interested in seeing just how super easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So let's get into this unit right here, baby. Y'all see the gorgeousness right here? Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce, baby. Y'all can't tell me that don't look absolutely fabulous. And the color is gorgeous. Look at that color. Just, oh my god, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is how it looks coming right out of the box, and we're gonna go on and put it on. I can already tell that I ain't gonna have to do too much with this unit, so let's go ahead and put it on. Now, this unit does fit snug on my head, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's fitting ear to ear. Y'all, look at that. I ain't even got to do much. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so we're going to clip the hair back, and we're going to get into this lace. And we're going to secure this unit as well, so it ain't sliding all over the place. Done. All right, so let's get into this lace, honey. I'm going to use my wax stick because we do have a little flyaways. So to tame that, we are going to use a wax stick to get rid of those flyaways. Boom. All right, so now we're going to get into cutting this lace.
My ass hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we.
Alright, this is her with the lace cut. Y'all, this looks good. Look at that parting. That looks good. I'm liking it. I am liking it. Alright, so I can already tell this is a great beginner wig because, honey, we done already. We absolutely done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it back. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Boom. So this is how she looks brushed out. She looks really, really cute. I am liking it. She's looking cute. But we do have a couple of spots like back here that's looking a little flat. So we want to curl it up just a little bit so we can give it a little more up to it. And then that'll be it, y'all. That'll be it for this unit. That'll be it. And we are done. I'm also going to flat iron the front of it. You know, I'm just being a little extra. You don't have to do this, but I'm trying to show you what you can do with this.
Usually I don't post.
Look at that. That looks cute. Okay, so we're gonna do, I'm going to curl just the back of this. I'm not gonna do a lot of curls because it doesn't need it, but we're just gonna curl it here and there because it's been traveling in a box. So we just wanna do a little curl here, a little curl there, and that'll be it.
Short, rough, young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Boom. There it is. Y'all, look at this gorgeousness right here. And look at that bounce. Look at that bounce, baby. Bounce, baby. Look at this color. Y'all cannot tell me this color is not absolutely fabulous, honey. Like, it looks so good. Y'all, honey. Don't do Love Me. Don't do her. Because, baby, do y'all see this? This looks absolutely amazing. The color is like top tier. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look good. Like, honey. And it's perfect for spring and summer. Like, this is so cute. Oh, and Valentine's Day, y'all. Valentine's is coming. This is a nice wig to wear for Valentine's Day. Like, honey, just imagine yourself wearing these bouncy, flowy curls with a nice flowy dress with some heels, baby. Smelling good, looking good with a Luv Me Hair unit. Honey, you gonna turn heads. I really don't have anything negative to say about this unit. It was super easy to put on. Y'all saw it took me less than a minute to put this unit on. It looked good straight out of the box. All I did was did a little curl healing there because it has been traveling in a box. But if you didn't mind how it looked right out of the box, you can wear it just as is. But you know, I'm extra, so I put a little curl here and a little curl there. But it's super duper easy. So you see that it does take heat very, very well, and it got this unit looking so well. Like, great beginner wig, great office wig, great church wig, great date night wig. She's the wig that you want to have in your wig rotation. So let me show you the back.
Better hold on and let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Say the love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me.
So it's nothing else to say about this unit but go get it, either for yourself, your mom, your auntie, your co-worker, your neighbor. Honey, get it for anybody. Even if you just want to get it for yourself, it is a must-have because it's super duper easy to put on. Like, this is extremely easy to put on. It's no shedding, it's no tangles, it's big head friendly, it fits snug but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It fits very, very comfortable on my head, and honey, it's just a fabulous wig. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair golf wrap and a Luv Me Hair cute bonnet. They also sent over some wig caps and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let me tell you about this gorgeous unit. This is a bouncy, fun, lightweight, loose wave, glueless 5x5 closure wig, and honey, she ain't coming to play. I am wearing it in the length 12 inches, and you do have the option to get this pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. The color on this unit is a ombre blonde. Like, honey, you cannot tell me the color on here is not beautiful. The density on this unit is 150%. This unit also comes to you in the default left C part, but because this is a 5x5, you do have the option to part it in the middle and do a right part as well. The hairline is pre-bleach, and like I said, the lace area on this unit is a 5x5. The cap size on this unit is a 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit also comes with detachable adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. This unit is 100% glueless, baby. Glueless, honey. You are able to take this wig off daily. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this. So if you want to put some more highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that as well. And there you have it, y'all. This unit is a must-have. It is extremely easy to put on, very beginner friendly. If you want a unit that is truly a throw on and go type of unit, this is the unit for you. It's got you. It's super duper easy. You saw it did not take me no time to put this on, so I highly recommend this unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this gorgeous blonde beauty, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out their next video. And I'll see you over there.